Okay, hi guys, I'm new here to this channel, so if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe to my video. So I use a Camry V6, and while I was going out, it happens to be that my check engine light was flashing real hard, and checking with the scanner tool, I find out that it popped up multiple misfire. I didn't know which exact ignition or which exact point was actually misfiring. Is it cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? So I have to first of all start with where I can reach, because ignition coil cylinder 135 is here, cylinder 246 is here. So upon diagnosis, I found out that the cylinder 6 was actually misfiring, but I didn't know. First of all, I went to change spark plug, swap spark plug with a new one, still the same misfiring. Then I had to swap ignition coil. It happened to be the ignition coil 6 was actually bad. So the video next should be telling you on how I went about the situation. Thank you guys.